Color. Today in Vocabulary and Concepts, we'll be learning about the art elements. What are the art elements? Line, shape, form, color, texture, value, and space. In the visual arts, art elements are the tools working together to make great art. The art element of color affects how we make, view, and feel about artwork. Understanding how to mix and use color in art is known as color theory. What colors are you drawn to in art, in interior design, in the clothes you wear? What colors make you happy, sad, excited? Color mixing occurs when at least two colors mix and make a new color. Red and yellow makes orange, yellow and blue makes green, blue and red makes purple. Color schemes are a group of two or more harmonious colors created using the organization of the color wheel. Using the color wheel to combine harmonious colors that work together to make powerful and pleasing art. Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. They're an equal distance apart on the color wheel. Here are some primary colors in art. What do you think? Do the three colors work together? Secondary colors are created from primary colors: orange, green, and purple. Here's some secondary colors in art. I see three colors working together to create balanced, interesting art. Neutral colors are not found on the color wheel, but they're just as important: white, brown, gray, and black. The warm color scheme includes yellow, orange, and red. Think of summer suns and campfire. Color scheme includes green, blue, and purple. Think lakes and lily pads. So how does color show emotion in artwork? Well, that's really up to you. What emotions do you see? For more content, follow along at Bold Soul Whimsy, Substack, YouTube, and Instagram. More videos on more art elements.